Welcome to Savyavasa's latest construction update. Join us as we take a closer look at the significant progress being made on site. As we're nearing completion, we are set to hand over the ready units, opening a new chapter for our homeowners. From architecture to finishing touches, every element reflects our commitment to meticulous craftsmanship and quality assurance. With a modern inspection approach, we deliver homes that are not just well-built, but truly ready for our homeowners. Our team carefully selects materials and refines every detail to craft a living experience where sophistication and comfort blend seamlessly. This vision extends to our thoughtfully curated playroom from safe, durable, and high-quality materials suited for young children. Designed to ensure a safe, engaging space for nurturing growth across various learning styles inspired by Howard Gardner's multiple intelligences. At Savyavasa, comfort knows no bounds. We are not just building for today's homeowners, but for generations to come, creating a legacy of timeless living and an investment that lasts a lifetime. Developed by JSI Group and Swire Properties. Construction led by Taisei CSC.